Boys and girls, you have passed learning target 6, which was adding, no regrouping your ones. Now you're on to learning target 7, which is adding with regrouping. So that means that we have too many ones and we're going to regroup them into a 10. So this quadrant looks very familiar because you had to do it in learning target 6. So the first quadrant is where we're going to write the equation that matches the problem. Over here, we're going to solve it by choosing a strategy, and down here, we're going to explain our thinking. Remember, in addition, in quadrant 4, we don't have to do anything yet, okay? That's going to be left for subtraction. All right, so quadrant 1, we have a story problem. And the story problem is that Mrs. Clark, our principal, by the way, has some erasers, and she has 46 of them, okay? Then Miss Pam in the office gives her 23 more erasers.
You're not regrouping.
Oh. No, she doesn't give her 23 erasers. She gives her 27 erasers. Here we go, because now we're going to regroup. And we don't know how many erasers that is total. That's what we're going to find out over here. So over here, we're going to show our work. So this is where I think about all the strategies that I know and which one I like the most, which one's easy for me, or which one I'm going to do. So we have, let's see, the number line. We have combining 10s and 1s. We have keep the first number whole. And we also have drawing out 10s and 1s. So I think I'm going to use drawing out 10s and 1s. So over here, I'm just going to rewrite my equation so I can always refer to it. And now I'm going to draw out 46 using sticks of 10s and my dots of 1. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 45, 46. And I always set it up in a tens frame. Then I'm going to add 27. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So I'm going to add my ones together first. And I can already see I have more than 10. So I'm going to regroup that group of 10 or group of ones into a 10. So I can see right here I need 4 more to make a 10. So I'm going to take those, I'm going to get those 4 from down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just going to move them up right here. So now I have this group, or I have these ones, these 10s that I'm going to make into a 10. So I'm going to regroup them. I'm going to just cross them out because they're not ones anymore. Now they are a 10. I regrouped these ones into a stick of 10. And I still have these 3 ones down here left. So now I'm going to add them all up. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I have 7 10s, that's 70. And I have 3 ones left over. And 70 plus 3 is 73. Okay? Is 73. All right, now I'm going to come down here and explain my thinking, what I did. All right, so the first thing I did is I drew my 10s and my 1s. Okay, that's what I did first. I drew them all out. Then I added my 1s together. Added my 1s and regrouped. Okay, Remember when I regrouped these ones into a 10? That's what I did. I added my ones and regrouped, period. Then I added all my 10s and 1s together. All my 10s and 1s together. And what did I get? 73. That's how you regroup, boys and girls, is when you have more 10s or more 1s than 10, because I'm going to take those and regroup them into a 10. And that's how you do Learning Target 7.